no bedo kama rach bang karma la dito kelo an ci udonyi mat mo maraj adida ki mat ujay kon mamaro ne dugu goya kere yot bena wakony mo ki ken mamia pala ci yunge aniang ni dul mane tie gi konyo dana ilokum kuku me at ci achako chiero borlo me mamo gena rio ci gubino yot gukero an yot piny wani kwere ci wayne ko jok gin matiti manene gin ene raj bien kilo balda kilo ta
wana tigi care me wala kwena ma wur der mi bar wana mi chwale bar lo mati kincha mati tiga kan
biano tera la kala mati non kom duwa o mi wan ki wani wa ma wat ma duom ko beri luwanyi kin peji gi yat ma reju o joxe
kom beri watiga mi tam kilo tiana mo mano care me kwan gi tie me da school
anyer bu kana tigar wenyo de kwan ko o kair ma ti wa cher wa nywa ka tam kere wa ko dok mar kwan ti mere kwan
ti ma me go bene wa bero ka kilo mege nyumon itela wa bero ka kilo gi itela mungi mo bero ka timone fonyi ni ti mi wa kero do mi o kero ma dit en down ti kana la kere la bole chala yab i en ma village kanyi kero wang manam down ti timone ni ko bi down ribe dong down ti ashi la choge da ka pe pa ka pe
ket ma wana loko kere gi dano wan po di dano dia di mo pe ando wa loko uno wana na kere yinti kwere ji wa duoko in wang me dano kare ka bet pia ti mu kere ma no do jala wa kone o waje en don konya be pe me be wi lo ti wana tero bore be wi lo na ni pia te wa nywa ko tam kere you ma pe.
This team, I really appreciate them because after taking their advice one by one, among the advice I left alcohol, I left taking marijuanas, and they have even advised me to leave some bad peer pressure, some bad peer groups that I'm roaming around with. I left all of them. Now, what next is to plan for my family, to start taking responsibility for my family. And as of now, as a man, I know my responsibility. I know my future now. I know where I'm going at least. You see, I am not now violating her, and she's not even violating me. We have that friendship now.
group ini umir pota dagi po wek dana ta kira beri wundi ma bu tiu chubo a eno gieno odon te de ka konyo kuku me ar pien kira la dare konyo ko pa dana pien ano ka bar na waida a na dela
ngech makom bedi wano ni a ki inywako tam ki uru det wakero dong I plan ma megwa meneno neni kari ka nene yam ke kwaro ko bworo no mon chien tutwal gini komberi tika konyo wa mekelo mon wa ilok metela wa ilok kari wa kitme leo jami la bole yam ka gwok la cho to dago dong lukaga ki tor twero pa dago ka chiel ki palo tino kich madongi eno komberi dong watika lok ki dano meneno neni jami pa chware ena ye obedo kingo ki loche weko gwok lutino ikaka wekwo obed maber wabedo kam nywako tam ki keno manongo pacho ruom me kuku me ot ti borgi matek jo en mo wabedo ga nywako tam kwed gini aloka kumberi ti maber mada I ot mameggi malupe ki puonj nywako tam ma wabedo katimo ne ilokom care wa kitman leadership kombedi omiyo mon mapot tika kati itela. Defilement cases wabedo ka kubune ke office pa CDO. Ma kupe ikin ke kwaro ke lutela me ke kwaro ke lutela palwa ma pat duchu obedo ka wot maber deda.
Right now, the voices of women is heard because of the vigorous training which was organized by Uganda Women Network and WORUDET. Right now, when you go to our council, you'll see the participation of both men and female. They are all active. The secondary school in Ukung, it was a lady who moved the motion in the council, Honorable T. Florence. Those structures of about 2 billion, it was because of the lobbying ability of our women councillors. We were trained and empowered by Uganda Women Network and WORUDET. The issue of the empowerment of the girl child, there has been noise in the council. At that time, the issue of teenage pregnancy was also on an increase. So those were the issues that were dominating discussion in the council. So it is evidence, if you'll get the opportunity to look at some of those minutes of the council, those are the issues that our women, they were raising. We know the statistic, it is not a good one, but you know, the fact that we already know that we have a problem, it is now easy to tackle that problem because we have to take it head on. For you to realize any outcome, you need to start from budgeting process. And that is what they have been always advocating. Because once it is not captured in the district development plan, that means you are heading nowhere. And that is where we started from. When you look at the district development plan, for all these years, you will see that component of gender budgeting.
Padi West by then na kubirungi poverty acheba. Mati malaja da mati villages port 8. Mo mi arwan wo water ye wen. So bojo kiana tima bo. Kemari identity. So giano mo pe manure ne wan do tipa WORUDET. Giano mo sign mo pe mati wa cha u kan wa no peri fil mada. You can way money ma mo no lu bang we dan mo nyono mer mo.
Our poor road network. Those are some of the things, okay, it is beyond our control, but we are the user of those facilities. So we can mention it is also impacting negatively on our performance. Involvement of women has made the utilization of some of the resources to go for the right use. I can tell you, even at the moment as we move toward closer of this project, the visibility of WORUDET, of Uganda Women Network, it is as if they have just started. But with other organizations, as they move toward the end like this, everybody will be for accountability.
Paul pa organization mukana makibino ki dealing ki lock me mon ki can lock me intervention pa cho obedo pe ento ikarema WORUDET obino i program me care work ena ye ki kelo la cho ki dago meti kachel omio wat kombedi ti ka dongo matek mada ikin cho ki mon kari wai lok me saving kari wai lok me kit me gwako jami cham i ot ti mabe mada ono lego ni ka kony bi mede bor WORUDET wek action group ku mede ki teach ma meggi me konyo community wek wadwok olo piny kuru me I ot ka chiel ki mede ki ponyo mon weke tela owuor kakare.